3-ply face mask.
Always remember that the dark blue or even the dark green side is out, while the white color one is inner. And then there's a metal here whereby it's actually to hold your nostril. So what we're gonna do is, in fact, when you wear, pull it up the 2 strings, tie it down to your face, pull it up and pull down your cheek, and that's how you press on the nostril. That's a complete way of wearing the face mask. That could be your comfortable ways. This is the right way of wearing a 3-ply face mask. Alright. Certainly there are a few populations what they do is, in fact, they wear in this way. That's actually an incorrect way too. And then there are a few they are not pulling down. So what we're gonna do is they do like this, which is not right too, because the bad air could be flowing from your inner.